What's going on, everybody? Rob here. Let me put that camera up a little bit so you can see my smiling face. Okay, here we go. The new Ring keypad and the new Ring motion detector. We've had Ring for about 2 years now, and the keypad finally is going out. What's going out on it is that they got battery for battery backup, although the battery backup has just been shutting off, so you can still use it from the phone app, turn it on and off, on and off. But one time we were coming in, we didn't know what was going on because the pad was completely off, and by the time we opened the app up, the alarm was going off. So I'm hoping this right here has the same connector plug for the other old keypad. And these are the new Ring motion detectors. They're kind of flat, so let's get these opened and we'll see how they are. I guess I should have brought my knife with me, but I'm just gonna, since I'm installing it, that really doesn't matter to me about the box. I have been eBaying lately also, so maybe I should have saved this box. Okay, here's where you should put it. There's installation on the back. Normally you need the Ring app because all you do is kind of, with your camera, take it. Oh wow, this is a box inside of a box inside of a box. Tell I'm a Marine veteran, huh? Just tearing everything completely apart. There's a new keypad right here. All right. It's not gonna mount in the same place because this is actually a lot thinner than the other keypad. A little bit easier to arm. Home, away, off, police, fire, if you want to put that on there, right there. And this is the check if you're bypassing any of the alarm. Let's see what we got in here. This one actually comes with a little charger. The other one just came with the wire, but this actually comes with a little charger port, so that's fine. And this is, let's see what kind of connector this one is right here. The motion sensor's battery. Alrighty. This is not a Type C. This is the little micro connector right here. This is not a Type C connector. This is the older one. Right before the Type C came out, that's the connector this is. All right, so that actually connects to, all this does is slide in, slides in, slide out. You screw this on, and then let me see where this goes to right here. If you look sideways in here, that's where the wire goes to, sideways in here. So if this wire is the same way as the other wire, I don't have to run the wire because I ran the wire inside of the wall. My wife said, how do you get that inside of the wall? I said, well, I don't want to have the wire just hanging down the side of the wall, so I ran it inside the wall. So it goes in like that right there. Hold on. There you go, right here. And then this goes to the left or to the right or up or down. So this one right here will go down inside of here. So when you screw this on the wall, mount this on the wall, it's really easy. That just mounts just like this. What I don't like is it's thinner than the other one, so I do have the other, unscrew the other panel off, which I will show you. And then we're gonna, I'm gonna connect this first, and then we'll go ahead and get the other one off. All right, so here's where the other Ring alarm was. See how big it is? I have the wire going in the wall, in between the closet and down the wall. But you could just pop this one out and it unplugs. Same plug as the other one. Like I said, the other one is just more narrow. That's this is the difference inside in the Ring doorbells right here. So I'm gonna have to take this off and screw the other one on, and then I'll be able to plug that inside. I'm gonna use the same wire because I don't want have to run another wire when it's the same one. And I'll just put the, oh, don't go in. I'll just put the plug down the wire. But now I gotta unscrew this and screw this one on. The terrible thing is with all my different alarm systems, I mounted them myself. This was the, what is it, the ADT. Then this is the first stage Ring, and this is the second stage Ring. So eventually I'm gonna have to paint that. Let me get that unscrewed and screw this on. Don't want that falling down that hole right there, right? So I'm gonna take this off. This is gonna come through the middle and then find 2 new holes that I can screw this back on. 3 new holes that I can screw that back on. See how tiny it is? Now I got holes on this wall because my 3rd alarm system I hung in here. No. Oh, close enough for government standards. And I'm gonna unplug this one right here. Unplug this one in right here. Oh, okay, I see what it is. This bottom screw that didn't really catch is leaning outward. Let me edit this. Figure out why it's not going on. Try to put this the other way. Aha, the cord was the wrong way. Okay, so this is on right here, but it does give you the little plug, so I'm gonna get the different plug. This is the new plug right here. The other one didn't come with a plug. Okay, it's beeping right now. Now you gotta get your phone. Got the phone, you look for your ring app. The ring app is what you set the alarm with anyway, so you look for your ring app. Open your ring app and then, hey, stop blinking. Why did it stop? There it is, it's blinking again. You go to your devices. Then you're gonna add a device, and it's you're gonna look for it. Security, intercom, thermostat, smart things. I'm gonna go with security. Security, scan QR code, or look for the keypad. Ring alarm keypad, 2nd generation. I found this one right here. Introduction, add a keypad. I'm ready. Scan QR code from the back. Oh man, I gotta take it back off. I gotta scan the QR code. All right, that's the code on the back of the camera. Let me pause you so I can scan it. All right, you scan it. I'm not gonna show you, but it says it's connecting device. Connect your devices. Keypad. Got it. Unplug the keypad and replug it. All right. Unplug it and then replug it. All right, so I unplugged it and I replugged it. Now it's looking again. So it's looking on the Wi-Fi. Now it's adding the device in the app right now. It says adding device and it's spinning. So we're going from adding the device. Now I should be able, there's QR codes on everything Ring that you could touch. So I forgot which way I had to put that cord on to get it on. Device added. Tap here to set it up. Let's set up your keypad. Where'd you place your keypad at? All right. Keypad, give your keypad a name. Give it a name. Install it. Success, your keypad is ready to use. All right, so let me see. Okay, so I just put it, it's off right now. Now if you want to put it away or home. Disarm, let me see if I can set it right here.
Home and armed.
Aha.
Disarmed.
You heard it, right? Let me see if I can set it from here. Okay, then you got to put in your password to arm it. So I'm not going to show you my password, but that's how easy it is to set up a ring. Now this one right here, one time on the keypad, it swelled up and then it stopped working. So the battery's going bad in this one. So we figured we would just replace it. You can even still feel it that the battery is really hot in here. So I'm probably going to take apart this and get the batteries out. Here's 2323. We just set up the second generation ring keypad. Personally, I really did just, what did it say? Well, that was a text message. I thought it was telling me something. It was smaller than the original one. I actually like the design of the first generation better than the second generation. But now this is the second generation motion sensor that I got. We got motion sensors for all over the house also. Now you do need to have to download the Ring app already before you can install something. These are actually a lot more smaller. A lot more smaller than the other ones. Now this is the Ring motion sensor right here. Beep, 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 beep. Now here's the thing for the battery to turn it on. And all rings come with barcodes on the back. They're so easy to set up. You go into your Ring app. You go into your devices, and then touch a little thing to set up a new device. It's that easy. You look for this is security, so it'll be security, and it also lets you know everything else that Ring has available. And actually all you do is you take a picture with that barcode. You don't even have to take a picture. You just open up the Ring app, you scan the barcode, beep, beep, beep. It asks where you're putting it, and you put it there, and it's done. That's how easy it is. So let me get this scanned in. Let me look a little bit about this. Okay, I found out what I needed to know. It can go in the corner still. You see how it's wrapped around the corner? But wherever you pull this tape off from, it has self-stick tape already. So all you gotta do is scan it, pull the little plastic, and stick it where you want it. So that is completely awesome about mounting these Ring motion sensors. We have these all over our house. Little by little, we just add. What I like about the Ring system most is you can add on piece by piece and little by little. Like this right here from the big brand companies, they'll cost you like, you know, $200, and then you're gonna have to pay to have it installed. And they own their own where they have to program it themselves. And with Ring, you just keep adding on and adding on as you go along, and it's so simple to use with the app. So with the Ring motion sensor, the second generation, it can go. I didn't know it could go in the corner, but you see the shape of it, and the tape is on both sides, so it can be wedged in a corner, or it could be on a flat surface. With the Ring app, all you do is put it on this barcode, you put it where you're gonna set it, and then you forget it. That's how easy these Ring motion sensors are. Talk to you later. Subscribe, like, and share. Well, let me put it up first, right? So I'm opening the, let's see, Ring alarm system right now. There's keypads, alarm, extenders, sensors, panic button, retrofit, what works with Ring. This is a motion sensor, so I would venture to say it's a sensor. Contact, yeah, here we go. Motion, glass break, freeze sensor, contact sensor, motion detector second generation. That's what that is. So you just click on it, and then add a motion detector for rooms, motion alert, whatever. Ready. Let's see. Scan the QR code. It's located on the back of the mounting bracket. Okay, scan the barcode. Now it didn't tell me to take out the battery yet, but I'm trying to scan the barcode. It found it. It's asking the PIN number to verify. And let's see. Pull the battery tab. So now you pull the battery tab. Pulling the battery tab. And it's going to start blinking. And it's searching for it right now. It's pairing it on the phone. It's adding the device already. And then it's going to ask us where we're going to set it. And you have to program where you're going to set it, because if your alarm's going off, it tells you where the motion it is. It tells you what window it is. It tells you wherever it is. So you program each one of these. And this is how fast it is to set these things up. Tap to put where it's at. Let's set it up. Okay, where you're going to have it. Entryway or a room. Alarm sounds immediately when it detects its motion. Alarm is delayed, give you time to disarm the system. So if it's in like a room, like a side room, a bedroom or whatever, and that senses motion, it goes off automatically. Now, if you're putting it in the entryway where you got to get to the keypad, it gives you a little delay to give you room to get to the keypad. Okay, and then it's ask you where it's going. Then you could give it a name. And then you install it. Just that easy right here. And Alexa just found it right now. How about that? So I'm going to go put this up. I'll be right back. All right, so now I got the motion detector on. Walk in front of your motion detector to detect it. When you walk in front of it, motion detected already. Where I'm at, I'm just right here. I moved, motion detected. And until it don't detect anything for 30 seconds, it gives you a perimeter. When it don't see you moving for 30 seconds, it'll stop saying detected. So let me walk around my room. That is pretty awesome. I got it in the corner. Now it says to mount it 7 feet 6 inches or higher, where you're gonna get it to get the whole span of the room. So that's pretty awesome. And I'm telling you, you walk anywhere in our house, you're on a motion detector and camera. So you better watch out. You better not pout. Talk to you later. Subscribe, like, and share.